Hey, welcome back. It's time for Foundation. Now it's time for Unit 3, Week 2, Day 2. Here we go. We're going to practice our sounds. Say them after me. O, octopus, ah. Q, queen, quack. C, sock, k. A, apple, ah. CH, chin, sh. WH, whistle, w. W, wind, w. E, ed, eh. Y, yellow, y. K, kite, k. M, man, mm. I, itch, I. B, bat, b. TH, thumb, P, pan, SH, ship, sh. U, up, CK, sock, k. Very good. We're going to talk about this digraph for a second. This digraph has a very important rule, and that it can only go at the end of the word. So when I tap out sock, that CK is the last sound I hear. It can only go at the end of a word, and it has to be right after a short vowel. So again, if I tap out sock, well, the sound right before my k is ah. And it's short, and that's why I put a CK at the end. My last rule is it has to be one syllable. So if I clap sock, suck, one syllable. We're going to talk about this a lot today. CK sounds like some other sounds though. It sounds like K, kite, k, but it can't go at the end of a word that has a short vowel. And it also sounds like C, cat, k. And again, it can't go at the end of a word after a vowel. Those are what we're going to look at. So we're going to tap some words out. Here we go. B, a, k, back. Now let's double check because here I see it CK. So let's check our rules. First rule, is it at the end of a word? Absolutely. It's clear over here at the end. My second rule, is it after a short vowel? Well, I see my pink and I know that that means a vowel, but that's short. And my last rule, rule number 3, is it one syllable? So clap back with me. Back. One syllable. So yes, this is the perfect use of our digraph CK. At the end of a word, after a short vowel, and one syllable. And so our word of the day actually is going to use that digraph. So let's tap our word of the day out. Thick. Let's double check that this CK is the right digraph to use. Rule number 1, is it at the end? Yep. Rule number 2, is it after a short vowel? This is a vowel and it says I. It is short. Rule number 3, is it one syllable? Go ahead and clap this word with me. Thick. One syllable. So yes, it's perfect. How would I mark up this word? If I had a pen, how could I mark up this word? I would have to mark my digraphs up. TH would get underlined. CK would get underlined. If something is thick, is it skinny or is it fatter? Something is thick. It's fatter. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to practice some sight words. Here we go. I'm going to say them with you. The, a, and, is, his, of, as, has, to, into. We, he, she, be, me. Okay, so now I'm going to have you help me build some words. We're going to do these together, so just do them with me. You don't need a whiteboard or anything. My first word is going to be duck. Tap that word with me. D, duck. What letter should I put for my D? A D. Very good. What letter should I put for A? U. And what about K? Remember, that's the sound that we've been talking about. I could put a C, I could put a K, but don't forget about my digraph CK. There's the 3 rules we have to check, so let's check. 1, is it at the end of a word? Yes, it is. 2, is there a short vowel in front of it? This is my vowel. Is it short? Yes, it is. In my last rule, it has to be 1 syllable. So clap, duck, duck. 1 syllable. If I said yes to all 3 of those, I know I need to put CK, my digraph. Okay, I need to mark up my word. Is there anything to mark up? Sure thing. I need to underline my digraph at the end of my word. That CK we've been talking about. Very good. This is the word duck. I'm going to drag it over now. Oops. Now we're going to do the word lick. Tap that word with me. Lick. Help me out. What do I put down for L? What do I put for I? And K. Remember, I could put a C. I could put a K. But let's double check I don't need to use CK. First rule, end of a word. Second rule, short vowel. I. That short? Third rule, let's clap it and see if it's 1 syllable. Lick. That's a 1 syllable word. I said yes to all 3, so I'm going to use CK. Now, do you see anything? We'll go with goggles. Do you see anything that I need to mark up? I do. I see a digraph at the end of my word. I need to underline my digraph. Awesome job. Okay, one more. Rock. Tap that word for me. Rock. What am I going to put for R? O. I really want to put the CK. Help me figure out if it has all of the things it needs to. Let's check. First rule, is it at the end of a word? Yes. Second thing, does it have a short vowel in front of it? This O, it says ah. That's short. Okay, last check. Clap the word. Rock. 1 syllable. So I can put the CK there. Very good. Now I'm going to mark it up. So here's my pen. Underline my digraph. Awesome blossom. All right. I'm going to drag these over. That, my friends, is the end of your lesson. Great job today.